going to show you how to do a keychain in Google Drawing. And it's pretty simple. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a rectangular shape, put it on here. Then we're going to double click on it so that we get the format options right here. And this is where it's important that we put in the 2.25 and the 1.5. And remember, those need to be in inches. And we're going to lock the aspect ratio. Oops. I had to lock it on and I don't want to because I want 2.25. Now I want to lock the aspect ratio. So now that's what I have. So, got that. Now I'm going to insert, I want a background inside that box. So I'm going to search the web for, I had to re-record this at one point because something went wrong. So I'm going to search the web for, and instead of this time, get out my search box here and put in rainbow. And lots of cool ones, but the one I want is down here. There's the one I want. Insert it. Now this one's going the wrong direction for me. So first of all, I'm going to size it to the 2.25 and 1.5. Gotta unlock the aspect ratio though. 2.25. That's one way of rotating it. I could also keep the locked aspect ratio, so let me go back. And you can see that kind of flattened it out into some weird things. So I'm actually going to go back. And there we were with the, and lock that aspect ratio. So I'm going to pull this more here. And now I'm going to flip him over. Put him here. And I guess I will unlock that aspect ratio into 5 and the 1.5. Other way around for this one because of how it is 1.5 and then the 2.25. There we go. And click that lock the aspect ratio and there we have it. So that will fit inside of our rectangle. It'll fit right on top of it. So there it is. So we know it's the right size, and plus we can click on it. So we could actually get rid of that rectangle if we wanted. I'm going to actually get rid of it so it's not in our way. So now we've got that. So now I want the Brady logo. So I'm going to insert that image. I have it on my drive and it's right here. And I want to use the one that doesn't have the color in it because it is, it blends into the background too well. So I uploaded the transparent one and I'm just going to shrink this down a bit to see if it'll fit on here. Oh, it's looking cool, but there's a problem. I'm afraid that I'm going to lose some stuff maybe. So again, I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab a shape. But this time I'm going to grab a rounded rectangle. And I've done this on the other ones that I've made for examples, and I've done that. And now I want to change that color, and I'm going to change it to something like this. And then I am going to put that its position. I want its order here. And I know it's popping right out in front of me, but oh, there it is, ordered. I'm going to send it backwards. I don't want it going all the way to the back because that will put it behind the background. And we don't want that. We want it out in front, but we don't want to lose it. So now we can even see the exploration school now. And we can always zoom in on that if we do 100%, or sorry, do a 50, do a 200%. and zoom in, we can see a little bit better. So that's good there. I've got my spot where the keychain goes in. So I'm going to click on the background and I'm going to duplicate that. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. And pull that down here. Now I want to put in a graduation cap or something like that. So I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to search the web for it, and this time I am going to put graduation cap, clip arts, so that's what I want, and I want it to be PNG and transparent. And the transparent's really important so that you don't get any box or anything around it. And let's see here, I had one that was really cool. I thought it would be fun to work with. We really wouldn't need to do anything for it because it's just kind of cool in and of itself. So we're going to insert that. Now I need to size it down so that it will fit inside of our box. The other thing that's cool about it is it automatically reads the hull for the thing. And now I can put in, center that a little bit. So now I can go and put in a text box right here and put in 2023. Now I can play with my size and characteristics here. So let's see. Don't want to do that so much. Put the size, rotation, position. Let's do the text fitting. Oh, we don't need to do that. We want to do the shadow, the drop shadow. So we want change the color, maybe it'll pop out better at us. There we are. It's not popping out so well on that. That's interesting, but that's okay. We can deal with it. So let's get back in here. The other thing, sometimes you got to make sure that you've got things clicked on to see if that's what's doing it. So let's go back up here and let's look at the size here. I've got to widen out my box. And pull it up a little bit. Back down a little bit. Nope, not the graduate. Graduate is fine. And we can also pick a different font. So these are all the fonts that are available to us through here. They're kind of your standard fonts that come with Google, you know, that are in Google. There's always other fonts, kind of like the Montserrat with that that we have in the graduation. Now, I am thinking though, if I bold this, what happens? Yeah, bold will do fine. That'll do fine right there. Now, I do want to do a shadow on that, so I'm actually going to copy this and paste it. And now I'm going to take this one, and instead of being black, I'm going to change that color to that kind of, oops, got to select them though, because it handles it slightly different from the other programs. So I select them, and now if I put that on the top, looks pretty cool, but you know what? I think I want it to be the other way, so I'm going to order that by sending that backwards. And now I'm going to bring that black one, I believe I have, and bring it down just a hair. Over just a hair. Or over just a hair. Oh, I can't tell. Let's go for the, instead of doing the blue, let's take this guy to, oh, that's the black one. Let's take this guy. Still got the black. Move the black away. Let's take this guy and let's put it to an orange instead. See, beings, that's what's, oops, I forgot. Gotta select them because we're dealing with Google Draw. And now, you know what? I want a different color. So let's go ahead and customize that color. There we are. Okay, so now let's just move this over a little bit. And now we're going to take this and move this into here. And go, okay. And now we've got a bit more of an orange that looks like the orange on top. And now I'm back to Essie. I can tell I'm to the black one by looking at that up there. If you're wondering how I was coming up with that, that's how I was coming up with I don't have it or I have it. And now we just slit those so they're not right on top of each other because that kind of ruins the whole point of the outline. Or the shadowing. There we are. I like that. So there's my file. Got to go in and save it. So in this case, I would call CRS grad keychain 2023. And then you want to put it somewhere in my drive where I know where it's going to be. And in this case, because I'm doing this for the R&D, I'm going to put it in my R&D folder. So I know where it's at instead of going, okay, so I'm going to move it there. So that's where it's at. When I need it, I can pick it out and go from there.